Thunderstorms producing heavy rainfall and causing flash flooding are threatening parts of the Denver metro and the Front Range on Sunday. The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for Denver, Aurora, and Commerce City until 10:15 p.m.
Flooding, dude.
A heavy rain threat may produce rainfall of 1 to 2 inches in as little as 45 minutes, with locally higher storm totals possible, according to the National Weather Service. Interstate 70 between York and Steele Streets and Northfield, Quebec and Dahlia Streets has reopened after being closed due to flooding, according to the Colorado Department of Transportation.
Blankets in a second, okay? Go, do me a favor, look in the back and see if we have any white